Get ready for a captivating real estate binge watch. Discover the top 15 must-see TV shows that take you behind the scenes of extraordinary architecture, stunning interiors, and picturesque locations. Join the exciting journey through the lives of real estate agents conquering the country's hottest markets. Let's start. 15 real estate shows to watch. Selling Sunset. Netflix's reality show follows the Oppenheim Group, a prestigious real estate brokerage, since 2019. The series captures agents' personal and professional lives, renewed for a fourth and fifth season in 2021. Property Brothers. Property Brothers, a Canadian reality show on HGTV since 2011, stars twin brothers Drew, a real estate agent, and Jonathan, a licensed contractor. Watch as they scout and renovate neglected houses, transforming them into dream homes for families, all while staying on budget and schedule. Tiny House Nation. Since 2014, Tiny House Nation on Netflix follows U.S. buyers seeking tiny homes under 500 SQ.ft. Renovation experts John Weisbarth and Zach Giffen assist in building their dream tiny homes. House Hunters. House Hunters, one of the oldest real estate shows since 1999. Birthed a franchise with spin-offs like House Hunters International, House Hunters on Vacation, House Hunters Renovation, and House Hunters Million-Dollar Homes. The original show follows buyers with a local agent deciding among 3 properties, catering to families, couples, and individuals seeking to buy or rent. Million Dollar Beach House. Netflix's Million Dollar Beach House tracks young nest seekers international agents selling multi-million-dollar luxury listings in the Hamptons. Fixer Upper. HGTV's popular show Fixer Upper, starring Chip and Joanna Gaines, a married couple and owners of a home renovation business in Waco, Texas. The series, which ran for 5 seasons until 2017, follows the couple as they present home buyers with 3 fixer-upper options in the Waco area. Joanna handles the design, while Chip takes charge as the main contractor. The show's claim to fame is popularizing the farmhouse chic interior design trend. Amazing Interiors. Amazing Interiors, a Netflix series, explores homes with extraordinary interiors, featuring surprising rooms like part-time museums, indoor aquariums, and backyard roller coasters. The show has no host or narrator, presenting 3 unique homes per episode, with a primary focus on one under construction or renovation. Flip or Flop. Like Fixer Upper, HGTV's Flip or Flop is set in Orange County, California, and stars real estate agents Christina Hack and Terkel Mousa. Since 2013, the show has tracked the couple's journey of purchasing bank-owned, short sale, or foreclosed homes, renovating them, and then selling them for a profit. Tune into HGTV to catch Flip or Flop. Million Dollar Listing. Bravo's Million Dollar Listing franchise tracks real estate agents selling million-dollar homes. It started in Los Angeles, spawning spin-offs in New York, Miami, and San Francisco. The New York show received 2 Emmy nominations. Currently, airing shows include Los Angeles and New York editions, all available on Bravo. Income Property. HGTV's Canadian home improvement show, hosted by real estate investor and contractor Scott McGillivray, aired 11 seasons. McGillivray guides homeowners through renovating their first property, offering design choices, conversion plans, and managing the renovation journey. Rehab Addict. Airing since 2010 on DIY and HGTV, Rehab Addict centers on Nicole Curtis restoring historic Minnesota homes at risk of demolition to their original appearance, eschewing modernization. Curb Appeal. Airing since 2002, HGTV's Curb Appeal, hosted by architect and designer John Gidding, revamps a home's outdoor surroundings, including paint, landscaping, and fences. Each episode spotlights a real homeowner receiving advice from guest experts on home improvements. Mountain Life. HGTV's Mountain Life, hosted by Brian West, features buyers seeking their dream homes in remote mountain locations with breathtaking views, spanning the East Coast and Hawaii. Log Cabin Living. On HGTV, Log Cabin Living follows buyers seeking rural retreats in log cabins, exploring the unique maintenance concerns of living in such structures. The show showcases log cabins of various styles, from small vacation cabins to grand estates, across the U.S. Beachfront Bargain Hunt. HGTV's hit show Beachfront Bargain Hunt follows buyers seeking affordable waterfront properties to live on the beachfront. They explore 3 homes within their budget and choose their dream beachfront home. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey through the top 15 must-watch real estate shows available for streaming. From the fascinating world of property transformations to the thrill of beachfront bargains, we hope these gems bring you endless entertainment and inspiration. If you're as excited as we are about the world of real estate shows, be sure to click on the video displayed on your screen. There, you'll find even more incredible films curated for real estate enthusiasts like you. We hope you enjoy these shows and the wonderful adventures they have to offer. Happy watching!